Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be solving second problem of Leetcode weekly contest 389. That is 3084 count substring starting and ending with given character. Okay. So pause the video, read the question. I mean it's pretty straightforward. So let's directly jump into the question. So what does the question say? The question says that we will be given a string S and a character C. Now we have to return the total number of substring of S such that it starts and ends with C. Okay, question is very straightforward that we have to find the number of substrings which starts and ends with the given character. Okay, so there is obviously a very simple solution of O of n square, but let's before that let's dry run on this particular example. So A B A G A. Just a second. Yeah. So the given example is A B A D A and C is equals to A. Correct. C is equals to A. Now, so there can be one string that starts from here, this A, and goes till this A. Or, sorry, there can be one more starting from this position to this position, this position to this position, and this position to this position. Okay, so starting from this first A, we can have three substrings. Similarly, starting from this second A, we'll have one substring that starts and ends this place, and another will start from this and go till end. So we have two more substrings. Now finally we can have one more substring that starts with this A and ends at this A only. So we'll have six substrings. Now what we can do is we can always run a nested loop for finding this. How? So first of all, let's say if I run a loop for I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now as per the question, if this starting character, whatever we have, like S of I is equal to the given character C, then what can we do? This is S not 8. Okay. So now we can run another loop here for int C. What we want is that the substring should end at the same character C. So what we can do, and we know that we have to start from that given particular I, so we can start from int j is equals to I and j less than n, j plus plus. And if s of j is also equal to C, that means we can increment our count answer by 1. Okay, so in this way we can find the total number of substring. But what is the problem? The problem is that here we are running nested loop that will take O of n square. But if we'll see the constraint, it is 10 to the power 5, so we cannot run loop like n square loop. Okay, so how can we solve it? So if you'll see carefully, you'll realize, let me copy down this example again. A B A D A. Okay, now realize one thing. If I want to know how many substrings are there which starts with A and ends at this position or ends at this A, because here C is equals to n, that's why we are talking about it. So how many substrings will be there which will start with A and ends at this A? That is obviously simple. We can simply count how many number of A's are there till here. So there are two A's, and that means we can start from any of those two A and we can end here. So in total, the number of substring ending at this particular position and starting with A are 2. Similarly, for this position, how many A are before or till at this point? So there are 3 A's. So that means there can be 3 starting positions and this can be the ending position. So we can have 3 substrings which start from somewhere, like from any of the A before or equal to at this position and end at this position. So similarly, for this first A, we have only one A at this position only. So this will contribute to one substring. So if you'll see, it gives nothing but the total number of substring that starts with that particular given character. And that's what we calculated from our this nested loop or this try run example. So the question is very straightforward. What we can do, we can always keep track of how many the number of current character or the number of C has already appeared or the count of C. Okay, and we can directly add that to our answer. So let's see the solution. We can have C that as the current count. I have named the character as CH, and we can have our final answer. So whenever we find any ch, that means first of all we'll increase the current count of that particular character. Now we know that whatever the count of that particular character we have till now, that many substrings can be formed. So in the answer we'll increment answer by that particular count. Okay, and finally we'll return our answer. Let's submit the solution. Say it's an essay solution. I hope this will be very clear to you, but if you guys have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next video.